Hello children. Yesterday you have studied about the hand picking, the method of separation of materials. But today you will study about the winnowing, the second process of separating the material. So what is winnowing? Winnowing, even when threshing is done, hand picking, then after threshing, and when threshing is done, when threshing is over, हस्क और चाफ जो भूसा वगैरह होता है ना, स्टिल सम पार्ट्स रिमेन, मोस्टली रिमूव्ड, बट मे बी 20% इज स्टिल रिमेन with the grain seed like wheat, rice, etc. Or since the size of the two is quite similar, but and their size is equal, like this is the size of the wheat, so this is the size of the chaff also. So hand picking does not understand, means it will not done by the hand picking, so neither does by the threshing. So the winnowing is only way to resolve this problem. So what is winnowing? This is the definition. I will give you 2-3 definition, whatever you find good, then write on your note or learn. Winnowing can be defined as the method of separating. Method of separating means to separate, to pick out, to take out, to separate, to divide in two parts. The lighter husk means halka bhusa, and the heavier grain means they divide the lighter husk and the heavier grain separate. Component by blowing current of air means blow the air, flow the air on them. The lighter husk particle are carried away by the wind, and wind are able to move or the carried the material that are very lighter, like our clothes blow in the air. So the same husk will also blow or carried away by the wind. So grain seeds get separate. This husk can be further used as the fodder for the cattle. Fodder like bhusa, the buffalo, the cow eat that as a morning and evening fodder. Understand? And don't worry, I will give you 2-3 definition and lot of examples are settled. This time I change the pattern and I only explained a single way. In the previous video I explained 2-3 things in a single video, but now I decided to explain a single thing, a single heading, but with a multiple examples and multiple definitions. Okay, so it will more helpful to understand you well. Look at here, this is the condition of the winnowing. This is the material, this is the pot where husk plus grain both are filled here. Here the wind is coming from this side and they are pouring the material from this way. Understand? So the air is stuck with the particles here, and the husk, the chaff will flow away or the carried away, means the very chaff is very light particles, so they will flow away, and some are little more heavier, so they will collected here, and the more heavy material means our seeds, our grains will collect here. Understand? This is a bucket or the maybe in a heap of things. I hope you understand. This is the method of winnowing used in China. You can study in the old China, not today. 1637. Understand? This is Chinese rotatory winnowing. Look at here. This is a fan. This one is fan. A man is blowing it, and here this air is flowing these things. Okay. This is the method used in the winnowing method used in the Europe in 19th century. Understand? This is the old machine, old modern machine means in the time 1839 a machine is made for the winnowing. Firstly it will held through the hand, but this is the modern winnowing machine. The time our the present day in the 21st century it is using. Understand? I told you I will give you a lot of examples. And this is the place where we fill our full material, and this is the motor with, and the fan is also settled here. This is the way from the chaff will flow away. Understand? Because this motor and the fan will start moving, so then the light material when get down here, so the fan will blow away the chaff here. Understand? There is chaff, and the heavy material like our wheat is poured down from here, and it will settle here. Understand? So very simple process. It will work on the electrical. It is connecting with the electrical and electricity, and the switch will on, then slowly it is moving down the material. Principle of winnowing means how the winnowing work. Winnowing is based on the fact that if the mixture is containing two components, means two component is compulsory, means two things is compulsory in this process, means or when they or those are mixed to each other. One is lighter, and the condition one should be lighter and one should be another should be heavier, then both the component can be separated by blow of air. And the third thing used by the not third, the second thing used by this process is air, because air flow away the light material. So lighter component gets separated from the heavier one when it is poured down like this. So the air come from this side and the chaff will flow away this side, and the heavy material will separate will collect here. Understand? These are the examples of the winnowing. Wheat is separated from husk. This is the first example. गेहूं को भूसे से हम लोग अलग करते हैं by using winnowing method. Dirt particle can be removed from the grains, and the corns are separate from the straw. Advantage. What are the advantages? What are the use? Winnowing is very useful in agriculture. We get grain and husks separate by winnowing. Means the things used by the humans and the things used by the animals and the other is separately we get. Or the third, we can separate grains such as wheat, corn, millet, rice from lighter impurities such as husk, straw, stone, etc. by using winnowing. It's very simple. I hope you understand whatever I explained. This is the multitasking machine, and this work two types. It will complete the process of threshing, understand, and as well as the winnowing. It completes two process. Here threshing will be done, then after here the winnowing will be done. Okay, and this is the best answer I have set for you from here to here. This is the definition of winnowing. Okay, it is extra part. If you want to learn or write, then write, but definition from here to here only. Okay, and this is the olden tradition. A woman is stand up on the stool, and when in the summer time when air flow very fast, and from the supa they just pour down the material, heavy material, so chaff will flow away here, and this is, look at here, the grains are collecting here and making a heap. Heap means here. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. I'm your teacher Vinay, and watch this, subscribe, like my videos, comment if you have any problem, and if you appreciate then comment positive comment, and share it with your colleagues, with your friends, so they can get the good knowledge about the science. Okay, so what is the homework? What is winnowing? So you will write the what is winnowing. Second, write the advantage of the winnowing. Third question, what are the examples of the winnowing, and what is the principle of the winnowing. Okay, these are the 4 questions you have to, and draw this figure. Understand, you have to draw this figure in your notebook. These are the 5 questions you have to solve. I hope you understand my way, what I explained in this video. Thank you for watching it. Have a good day. Bye for all of you.